Making a coffee cake. I got my flour. There. My sugar. My salt. Baking powder, not baking soda, baking powder. I'm going to whisk these all together. Then I'm going to take my shortening. I'm not measuring because I've got this recipe memorized. So for my shortening, what I do is I just break it up with my fingers. So I just very gently smash it through the flour, just like so. Then I'm going to set to the side my top for my flour mixture for my topping. Okay, let me wash my hands. Then I have my milk here. This recipe is in my Dining on a Dime Cookbook, Volume 1, on page 121. Now this works great with sour milk. Put it in. There we go. Stir this around. Got my pan, I'm going to spray, just like so. Got my coffee cake in just like this. Spread all around. Then what I'm going to do is I have my melted butter with my topping, and then I'm going to add my cinnamon, or this is my flour, extra flour for the topping mixture, and my brown sugar. Whoa! Well, it's going to be extra sugary today. Did not mean to do that. Then I'm going to mix this all around and make it all nice and crumbly. If you want, you can use your fingers, which I do also. I don't know, if you don't use your hands in cooking, guys, are you really cooking? That's the question. Okay, right there is my coffee cake, and I'm going to sprinkle my crumb topping all over. I'm going to break up the big pieces, spread around. Okay, gonna go wash my hands, be right back. Then I'm going to go put this in the oven, and then I'm gonna go put this in the oven. Now we're gonna put this in the oven. All right, I got my coffee cake out. Now, here's how I'm gonna test to see if it's done. I put a knife in the center, and if it comes out clean, it's done. But see how it didn't come out clean? It's not done yet, so it needs about 5 or 10 more minutes.